What is a cell? It is a small compartment that holds all of the biological equipment necessary to keep an organism alive. Animal cells. Animal cells are eukaryotic cells, meaning they have a true nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Here are some key parts and their functions in an animal cell. Cell membrane. The outer boundary of the cell separates it from the external environment. It regulates the entry and exit of substances, providing selective permeability. Nucleus. Contains genetic material, DNA, and controls cell activities. It serves as the command center of the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum. Rough ER. Function, studded with ribosomes, involved in the synthesis and processing of proteins. Smooth ER. Function, involved in lipid synthesis, detoxification, and the storage of calcium ions. Mitochondria. The powerhouse of the cell, generates ADP, adenosine triphosphate, through cellular respiration, providing energy for various cellular activities. Lysosomes. Contain enzymes for breaking down cellular waste, damaged organelles, and engulfed foreign substances through the process of autophagy. Golgi apparatus. It is another set of membranes that serves important functions, including modifying proteins and transporting substances out of the cell. Centrioles. These are hollow tubes that give organelles their shapes. The main function of centrioles is to help chromosomes move inside the cell. Vacuoles. They are enclosed compartments that are filled with water containing organic and inorganic molecules. Is this conversation helpful so far? Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.